Hey yo my people, this is your boy Wilson, Mihigo. I'm here to present about the story behind of African. We are in the generation where we have no chance to talk about our feelings, and now this is the voice of Africa. Here what I have for you is the generation. This is the generation of us. The generation that I'm talking about is the direction of our education, where the knowledge is provided and introduced by experienced ones, according to the kind of us. They divide us into the different kinds, according to our skins, the language they brought to us. Our culture is being turned into the waste of this civilization. And now our freedom had become more careful. So our culture is being turned into the waste of this civilization. At now freedom had become more careful. We do not have a right to choose how we live. The rules of the conquerors further to keep us down. That's the civilization. We are in the chance of the world where we remain with no chance to change the world to change. But they are wrong. We are such a big thing because they don't think that we are big. They think we do know ideas of what we're dealing with because the youth of us. They think that we do not have the right to choose what we wish. We know ideas of what we're dealing with. Because the youth of us has generated the mode of drugs into their minds. They spilled into our life. My brothers, my sisters, not yesterday, but today and tomorrow. Some of us choose to do things at their own, but if we share about it, the world must be changed. The generation that I'm talking about is the powerless of the world's masters, who has took all the responsibilities and abilities of controlling it. What we must do as the youth for our future development, we have inherited the power from our ancestors of enduring the struggles of this world. Means that we have to do, not to sit, not to ignore or talk, as decision of our future. Indeed, we must raise our hands for each other as the weapon of winning against the drugs, powers, and the hates we got between us. We have to know where we belong, where we go, where we came from, and what we have to do. Thank you, my people. Thank you for watching this. For more, subscribe, share, and comment. It's your boy Wilson, Mihigo. Love you so much.